Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Varsha Mal and I create content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. So I bought few Indian outfits from Amazon. So 3 are from Biba and baki 2 sarees hai, and there are 3 kurti and pant, and I'm going to show you guys all of these. So let's start off with the cheapest outfit that I got. I will mention all the price tags and everything. So the first kurti is this one. ये mustard color का है और इस पे इस type का work किया हुआ है. And neck is V. And there is this cut from the side. And the pant is like this. It's pencil cut. So it costed me 485 rupees, and I think according to price this one is really good, but the quality is not as great as other outfits, but according to price this is really good. Now the next outfit is very famous on Amazon because I saw a lot of good reviews written on it. So it is yellow in color. This one also has a kurti and a pant. So this is how it looks. It has this detailing here and on the sleeves as well. The sleeves is 3/4. It has this partition from here and there is no side cut in this kurti. This pant is also not like palazzo. Here also there is detailing, the same kind of detailing. So the previous outfit that I showed you, it's I think crepe material और ये cotton है. Now it costed me 549 rupees, which I think is again amazing for such quality and color and everything. So you can go for it. Now the next outfit is little expensive, not very expensive. It has a kurta, a palazzo and a dupatta. Color is beautiful. This is the kurta. It has this detailing here. Some kind of lace has been put here. It has cut on the side and this work is done here. The pant is like palazzo. It's actually palazzo only. It's quite wide and it has detailing here. The same detailing that is there on the kurti. The color is beautiful, perfect for Indian occasions, any festivals. Sorry, I forgot to show you the dupatta. This is the dupatta. Dupatta is so soft. This kind of lace has been put here. I think this outfit is perfect for Indian occasions. It's perfect for weddings also, I mean for haldi function or anything. We have so many Indian festivals, so I think this goes with every festival, and the quality is also nice, so you can go for it. I got 2 sarees from Amazon. One is pink and one is black. So let's start off with this pink one. This is the print and it has pearls over here on the borders, and it costed me 629 rupees. But these pearls were coming out. जब मैं walk कर रही थी पहनने के बाद तो ये pearls निकल रहे थे. So I would suggest you to not go for this one. But the other saree that I'm going to show is this one. On the border, this kind of work has been done. This is a beautiful saree. I loved how it looked on me. I don't know how it's going to come in the video, but this is such a beautiful saree. If you are comfortable with black, you can definitely go for this. But for the pink one, it's nice, but pearls are coming out, so you may not like it. Now the next 3 outfits are from Biba. All the 3 outfits have kurti, pant and a dupatta. So the first one is this green, lime green colored outfit. There is V-cut in it, and there is this kind of work done. The pant is like this and it has these kind of dots on it. And there is dupatta as well. और इसके border पे इस type का work है. I got it in 1749 rupees. If I see it as a brand, मतलब Biba के हिसाब से, I did not like it that much. Means after wearing, it wasn't looking that great. So I think you can avoid it. But its MRP was I think 4995. According to that, I got it in a good deal. But still, Biba brand के हिसाब से इतना अच्छा नहीं था ये. Next 2 outfit मैंने similar, I mean same outfit लिया but in different color. First one is this yellow outfit. तो इसका 4 part है. So it has 4 pieces in it. One is this kurti. 3/4 sleeves की कुर्ती है, which is very normal, like plain है. बस ये buttons का detailing है इस पे. And sleeves are like this. इसके ऊपर ये jacket है, यहाँ पे इसको बांध सकते हैं. One thing that I didn't like is this lace that they have given. बहुत ही cheap लग रहा है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा कि बीबा का है. And यहाँ पे ऐसे frills type का है जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Color of this outfit is amazing. दुपट्टा is quite big और इसमें भी ऐसे टाइप का लेस है which I didn't like. And pant is simple. This is leggings. एकदम simple सा है. Since ये कुर्ता इतना बड़ा है, so obviously I think just leggings ही अच्छा लगेगा. Overall, I really liked this outfit because the color is very pretty. The fit is also nice. I just didn't like the border. So the next outfit is the same as the previous one, but this is in white color. It's actually creamy kind of white, not exactly cream color, but not exactly white also. सब कुछ same है, बस मैं इसमें आपको color दिखा देती हूँ. So this is it guys. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and comments में बताना which outfit you liked the most. My most favorite is the black saree और मैं उसको हाई नेक टॉप के साथ पहनी थी and it was looking so nice और प्राइस रेंज के हिसाब से तो बहुत अच्छा था. Second favorite is the yellow colored kurti and pant क्योंकि बहुत comfortable भी था और material भी बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा लग भी रहा था. And third favorite is the orange one from Biba because of the color and fit. The least favorite is the pink saree because pearls निकल रहे थे तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं था. And the mustard kurti was also nice. प्राइस पॉइंट के हिसाब से काफ़ी अच्छा था बट मुझे वो मटेरियल नहीं पसंद. एंड जो मस्टर्ड कुर्ती एंड रेड प्लाजो विद दुपट्टा था, आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट दैट, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. यू कैन गो फॉर दैट एज वेल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल. यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram. आई एम वेरी मच एक्टिव देयर. यू कैन सी मोर कॉन्टेंट ओवर देयर. आई सी यू गाइज इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो.